Use PDF2QFX to convert PDF bank or credit card statement files to QFX, Web Connect, and import into Quicken. Start PDF2QFX Converter and open the transaction file. Review transactions before converting. Check the dates are correct, have correct year, deposits and withdrawals are in correct places. Set INTU.BID number to match your bank or use a default value. Set the account ID number and the account type. For multiple accounts, use a different account ID for each account. Click the Convert button to create a QFX file. In Quicken, back up your data file before importing. Click File, Import, Web Connect File to import into a new account or existing account. Disconnect the account before importing. Review transaction after import.